my yoga, and we will be practicing the pose called Urdhva Vrikasana or upward tree pose. So let's start. So how do we do it? First and foremost, you can stand up or sitting down, which I will show you later. So first, let's stand up in this Samastiti position, and then we will start our meditation. But first, I will show you how it goes before we go to the meditation part. And then we put our hands on our heart chakra, and we will have breathing exercises, and then we lift it up. So this is the pose, and then we can pray in this position, invoking the name of our God or the universe or whoever, and then we will go back to the third eye chakra and back to the heart center. So now we will be doing the meditation part and the affirmation and together with the chakra all in one course, but maybe just the motion part without the words as of now. Okay, let's start. Close your eyes. Imagine your feet growing downwards to the earth. Let's ground ourselves and let's take some cleansing breath. When you're ready, let's put our hands to our heart chakra. More cleansing breaths. Breathe in long, exhale long. And when you're ready, let's lift our arms. Namaste. Namaste. Thank you for joining my yoga today. Thank you for sharing your energy. Thank you for this day. And remember, watch out again for another my yoga. If you have any questions, please tell me at the comment section. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. So see you again next time for another beautiful, healthy life. Namaste.